Hey, it's Tom Hobbs, the man in the hat, and I'm with Troy, and we were in a workshop together. Troy, this is awesome. I'd love to have you in there. Your energy was awesome. What was your experience of the workshop?
Well, thank you very much, Tom. And the experience of the workshop was amazing. We actually all sat down and got to learn so much, not only about storytelling itself, but what makes a great speaker. So personally, it's wonderful to have Tom here at Toastmasters with us, being able to share this unique experience in New Zealand or New Zealand.
Yeah, we're in New Zealand. It was a blast we were doing. Troy just stood out in the room. His eyes lit up every time we did something. A new spark came out. So it's fun to share. Troy, how are you going to use these tools for the rest of your clubs and where you're speaking next?
Well, it's really to try and sound as genuine as possible, I think, is something that these help a lot, is being able to actually sit there, come up with your own stories, just a picture of your life, and then be able to elaborate on that. And it makes everybody sound really genuine and also enjoys or allows the audience to connect so much. So I'm going to be taking this stuff back to our clubs up north in Kirikiri, and yeah, it's going to be really exciting.
Awesome. That's what was going on. And you should have been here in New Zealand with Troy and Tom Hobbs, the man in the hat. Cheers.
See you next time.